We love the name Together because it's all about working together, being together, collaborating.
I think it will make a dramatic change to our working environment. It will add something completely new, especially for people who don't know the oils yet.
There's a big need to reinvent our working spaces. During the last years, the challenges changed dramatically, and we need new answers.
A good working space and good working atmosphere is an asset.
This kit is a strong tool to help employer to support their employees.
We have a lot of companies who are already using the oils, and the results are fantastic. They feel better, the mood is better.
Doesn't matter if it's a single office or a meeting situation, if it's a yoga studio, a hotel, wherever you can imagine, you can use it.
For the employer, a very important point is that he or she can show, I take care for you. And this is what people need.
The new Together kit is so amazing because it includes many beautiful oils. All the people will find at least 1, 2 or 3 oils which they really love.
I think this kit will have a big impact on people's lives, especially in working situations.
It's all about being together, staying together. It's so important.